Here in this question, we are having structure of management information. That is the SMI, structure of management information, is a guideline of, we are having four options: HTTP, SNMP, URL and MIB. So four options are there. So let me discuss one by one and then we shall go to the correct answer. So HTTP. So HTTP is having the full form, that is a hypertext transfer protocol. And you know that in case of hypertext transfer protocol is nothing but a set of rules, and these rules will be there for transferring files, text, graphics, images, sound, video and other multimedia files on the World Wide Web, that is on the www. And as soon as the web user opens their web browser, the user is indirectly making use of HTTP. And HTTP is an application protocol that runs on the top of the TCP/IP suite of protocols, the foundation protocols for the internet. And that is the basic definition of this HTTP. So here we have discussed what is the meaning of the term HTTP, that is a hypertext transfer protocol. So now we are going to discuss the term that is a SNMP. Now what is SNMP? So SNMP is having the full form, that is a simple network management protocol. So it is an application layer protocol used to manage and monitor network devices and their respective functions. In addition to hardware, SNMP can be used to monitor services such as a dynamic host configuration protocol, that is DHCP. So that is the purpose of our SNMP. Now we are going to discuss, that is our URL. Now what is URL? URL is having the full form, that is our uniform resource locator, is the address of a resource on the internet. And a URL indicates the location of the resource as well as the protocol used to access that resource, and that is known as the universal resource locator. So that is the full form of URL. Now let me go for this MIB. So what is the full form of MIB? MIB is having the full form, that is a management information base. A management information base, MIB, is a formal description of a set of network objects that can be managed using the simple network management protocol SNMP, and the format of MIB is defined as a part of SNMP, and all other MIBs are extensions of the basic management information base. And that is our full form, that is our MIB. So we have discussed what is HTTP, that is a hypertext transfer protocol. We have discussed this SNMP, simple network management protocol. We have discussed a lot on it. Then we are having this uniform resource locator, that is URL, and here we are having this MIB, which is nothing but management information base. Now what is the actual answer for this question? Structure of management information SMI is a guideline of, the answer will be SNMP. So that is the answer. So I shall be going for this option number B. I shall be going for this option number B because that is the answer for this question.